In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident jumping into any Teams meeting quickly and without stress. Let's start from the point where you're already signed into Microsoft Teams, either on your browser or the desktop app. Once you're on the main screen, the first thing you want to look for is the chat area. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your screen in the main menu bar. Go ahead and click on Chat. This is where your recent conversations, group chats, and many of your meeting invitations will appear. After clicking Chat, you'll see a list of conversations in the middle of the screen. These might be one-on-one chats, group messages, or channels where your team collaborates. What you want to do next is look for the specific team or chat where your meeting has been scheduled. Often, meetings are associated with a particular team or channel, so take a moment to identify the right one. For example, if you know the meeting is for a project group, find the chat or team that matches that project. Once you've located the correct team or chat, click on it to open the conversation. Inside, you should see a meeting invitation or a scheduled meeting card. This usually includes details like the meeting title, date, time, and sometimes a short description or agenda. It may also show a small calendar or video icon, which indicates that it's a Teams meeting. When it's time to actually join the meeting, look for the Join button on that meeting card. It's typically quite visible and might be highlighted to stand out. Click on Join and Teams will open a preview window before you fully enter the meeting. In this preview window, you can quickly check a few important settings. Make sure your microphone is set the way you want, either muted or unmuted, depending on how you plan to join. You can also toggle your camera on or off. If you have multiple audio devices like a headset and laptop speakers, this is where you can select the right one. Taking a